guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I remain your favorite graphic designer, Vixen Tech, and I'm so glad to have you all here. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. So guys, today I'll be teaching us how we can create logo for any brand or industry, irrespective of the brand or industry. It could be on fashion, technology, business, and what have you. You can achieve that using your smartphone. And the application that we are going to use to achieve that is this application called Logo Maker. Now you can get this application on Play Store. Just go to Play Store, type Logo Maker, then download this particular one. This is the one I want you to download. Afterwards, do well to install it into your phone. Before I proceed any further, I would like to say this. Now, as a graphic designer, there are many mind-blowing things that you can achieve using your smartphone. Even though you don't have a laptop, it is not a challenge. Your smartphone can help you achieve all of this. So let's launch the application. Make sure your mobile data is on so that you can have full access to this application. Like I previously mentioned, there are many sectors here: business and marketing, technology, letter, AI technology, fashion and beauty, photography, real estate. It all depends on what you want to do and what you want to achieve. Now, as a graphic designer, having a logo is very important. Having a logo is non-negotiable. In case you don't have one, with the help of this application, you'll be able to design a beautiful logo for yourself. Now, let's download this template. I think I love this template. Okay guys, now your logo is out. So all you need to do is to edit the write-up on the logo. One of the things I like about this application is that it affords you the opportunity to edit some of the details on the logo. Now let's edit the name of the logo. That's this technology. Let's edit it. Hope you saw what I did. Click on text. No, sorry for that. Click on the text, yes. Then click on this that looks like a pen. Then type the name of your brand. I already have the logo, but let me use the name of my brand, Vixen Tech. Beautiful. You can adjust it. Make sure it's at the center. Make sure it is properly aligned. Centralize it. Delete this, your logo. Delete it, is not necessary. Now, there are some features here. Let me show you some of them. Just click on the shape or on the text so you can have access to some of these properties. You can resize it here by clicking on size. You can move it, that is by clicking on edit. You can move it. You can rotate it from here. However you want to do it, it's your choice. You can change the color here, gradient, pattern, whichever one you want. You are free. You can change the font. Probably you don't like this font. You can come here and choose a better font that will suit your preference. You can align it. This is center alignment. This is right alignment, and this is left alignment. Whichever alignment you want to give to it, it's your choice. Now stroke, you can add stroke to the text if you wish. Spacing, you can space the letter and the line. Opacity, you can reduce the opacity of the text or the image. You can add shadow to it. It all depends on what you want to do. Okay guys, if you are satisfied with the changes that you've made If you know that you are good with the changes you've implemented, the next thing to do is for you to export your logo, because your logo is ready. Click on this icon, save. Yes, always ensure that you save your file as a PNG file, not a JPEG file. What is a PNG file? A PNG file is a file without a background. You don't need to go through the stress of removing the background of that image whenever you want to make use of that image. All you need to do is for you to place it on your design and it will blend with your design. So click on transparent background, then click on save. Now your logo is ready for you to use. Now, if you found this video helpful and educative, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you can get notified whenever I drop any video. Thank you so much for your time. I remain your favorite graphic designer, Dixon Tech. See you in my next video. Thank you so much.